Thank you for listening to Nth Generation's Technology Podcast. I am your host, Sarah Galloway. Today we're featuring Extreme Networks. Extreme Networks delivers customer-driven enterprise networking solutions that create stronger connections with customers, partners, and employees. Today our special guests are Bill Naan, Extreme Networks Senior Network Engineer, and Nth Generation's very own network engineer, Darin Back. Before we dive into Extreme Management Center, one of the networking industry's most robust, user-friendly network management platform, Bill, why don't you introduce our audience to Extreme Networks?
Thank you for inviting Extreme to present at this podcast today. Knowing that Nth Generation is a well-respected leading technology advisor, we are grateful to have you as a premier partner providing Extreme's unique solutions to your valued customers. Extreme Networks is the third largest enterprise LAN provider in the industry and has recently closed the acquisition of Aerohive, which positions Extreme as the second largest cloud management platform. We continue to be a recognized leader in the wired and wireless LAN Gartner Magic Quadrant. Our portfolio spans from the access edge through the cloud data center. We strive to deliver a consistent, customer-driven experience with our innovative hardware and software solutions. We do this while continuing to provide industry-leading 100% in-source customer service.
Thank you, Bill. Nth Generation recognizes the challenges our customers face and appreciate how Extreme Management Center solves these various key business challenges. Would you mind elaborating more on the advantages of Extreme Management Center?
Sure. We refer to Extreme Management Center as XMC. A little bit easier to discuss just using XMC as opposed to always saying Extreme Management Center. But anyway, XMC has been an integral part of our product portfolio for the past 10 years. Simply put, it is designed to make the IT person's life easier and more efficient. It provides tools to automate recurring tasks, which enables the IT staff to address their corporation's business initiatives. XMC provides global configuration and management of all platforms from a single console. It is a centralized suite of tools that maintains a single database for configuration, access control, analytics, and compliance of the entire network.
So tell us a little bit more about the analytics and governance capabilities of XMC.
Yeah, I'd like to. And these are two key features that lots of our customers have really honed in on. And beyond just the normal deliverables that you would get from a management platform, the analytics component provides layer 7 visibility into application flows. It allows the network staff to quickly determine if an application is running slow due to network or application response time. Our compliance solution helps determine the readiness of your network configurations for HIPAA, PCI, and GDPR. Audit-driven, user-defined compliance templates and schedule reports are available out of the box to help you demonstrate diligence and progress on your baseline when it's time for an audit.
So again, for listeners, we also have Darin Back with us, Nth Generation's network engineer. You've diligently worked with one of our largest customers in San Diego to integrate Extreme Management Center into their networking environment. Would you mind sharing with us what led them to select Extreme Management Center and what business challenges it solved and how?
Thank you for having me, Sarah. So this customer has a multi-vendor network. They've got a manufacturer for wireless, a different manufacturer they're using for their access switches, and a different manufacturer they're using for their data centers network. A key issue with this customer is they've got a limited staff, they've got multiple manufacturers, and they want to be able to manage the network from a single management console. Not only did this customer select this solution from a functionality perspective, but another key contribution to the decision was the cost of being significantly less than other vendors' solutions.
So Bill, can you share with the audience an example of how a customer chose Extreme Management Center? What led to this decision? What business challenges it solved, and how did it solve those?
Sure, I'd like to. You're going to hear a common theme. I'm going to talk about two recent wins with Extreme Networks, but they're going to kind of match a lot of the things that Darin just talked about. Most of our customers are in a situation where they have a limited IT staff to manage the network environment. They have a limited budget, and they have huge demands on a growing network. So let's first talk about Our Lady of Mercy College. The customer's network infrastructure had grown over time and included 3 different vendors' equipment, which was very difficult for them to manage. When we met with them, they stated these specific technology requirements. They wanted a standardized, reliable, responsive network with superior network performance and built-in redundancy. The explosion of devices attached to the network required automated BYOD access and security policies compliance. Multiple vendors responded to the customer's RFP, and most could address the mandatory requirements. So the vendors that they talked to really had the hardware and the wireless piece of the network pretty well figured out where they could help them with that, but then it came down to management. Once Extreme Networks demonstrated the automation, access control, and application telemetry features of their single management platform, XMC and Extreme was the clear choice. Extreme Networks provided a cost-effective solution that included the hardware and software that best met their needs.
Bill, would you mind sharing with the audience another example of where a customer specifically chose Extreme Management Center, what business challenges it solved, and how?
Yeah, let's talk about SUNY Canton. It's another higher education customer, and actually XMC made the difference again. You'll hear some, common themes again, but these were the customer challenges. They needed to reduce operating expenses and implement an advanced technology initiative. The requirement of achieving a more robust, state-of-the-art network was critical. Canton's IT team needed a total network upgrade with a comprehensive single point of view to all operations. With only one full-time network administrator on staff, complete support was crucial. They also received multiple proposals, but the Extreme Network solution included comprehensive management capabilities that included analytics for network troubleshooting and application tracking, plus wired and wireless network management, including security. Given the fact that Extreme's management solution set was the most robust that they'd seen from any of the people that actually responded to the request for a new network, we were there and won it hands down.
It is definitely evident to Nth Generation, and we hope now to the listeners of this podcast, how Extreme Networks is solving key business issues. To learn more about how this technology can help your company tackle these same business challenges and more, feel free to view the attached resources, contact your local Nth Generation sales executive, or call 800-548-1883 and ask to speak to an account manager to schedule a demo. Also, be sure to visit the Extreme booth at Nth Generation's 19th Annual Symposium. Nth Symposium is Southern California's finest technology symposium, hosted at Disney Californian Hotel and Conference Center. It features over 600 attendees, over 15 subject matter keynote specialists and panelists, and our general sessions. Dozens of technologies and solutions in our trade show showcase, featuring demos and hands-on experience, over 30 breakout sessions including NDAs, and an exclusive invitation-only executive luncheon and forum. Learn about Symposium and register for the complimentary event at nthsymposium.com. Bill and Darin, thank you both for your time today. We look forward to having you back again to share more ways Extreme can help Nth customers with their networking challenges and initiatives.
Great, Sarah. Thank you very much for having sponsored this today, and I hope we see everybody at the symposium.
Since 1991, Nth Generation has provided industry-leading consultative IT services, encompassing a suite of IT and security solutions. We empower clients to achieve optimal results through boosting agility, efficiency, and profitability while mitigating business risks. Whether your focus is IT security, compliance, cloud computing, hybrid IT, data analytics, artificial intelligence, or other transformative solutions, Nth has proven expertise to be your trusted industry advisor. What sets Nth apart is our distinction of tenured experts, including account managers, project managers, senior certified security consultants, solution architects, and engineers who have all achieved top-level certifications with leading manufacturers. In addition, through Nth Labs, we test, validate, and demonstrate key functionalities of a wide set of leading technologies that are relevant to your organization. In a perpetually changing competitive landscape, Nth Generation is here to help you achieve your unique business goals both now and in the future.